Okay, today we are looking at the Govee Wi-Fi Dream Color LED light strips. And let's see, what do we get in the box? We get, do you like it? Do you not like it? Is that what that is? And if you like it, give us a like. If you don't like it, let us know. We'll talk to you. And directions we don't need. And some more directions. And we get two reels. I think these are 16 feet each of the lights. And what gonna make these neat is they got the little IC chip in here, so you can individually address each color on the strip. Let's see what's in here. We got stuff to hang it. We got COVID pads to keep disease off of it or cleaning. And then we have the controller. Good grief. How much power do these things use? And what's in this one? Of course, they got a box I can't open with one hand. It's just the power cord. Alright, so that plugs into that. That plugs into that. And then into here, and those plug into the strips. Okay, it's fairly self-explanatory, I guess. We'll see. I think these are waterproof too. They got like a coating over. Maybe I can put these outside too. That would be kind of neat. I think this is indoor use only, but we know how well I do indoor use. All my wise stuff is outside. Alright, so we'll get this set up and we'll be right back. Okay, this is the installation of the Govee lights, and unfortunately I have to use my phone to do this because the camera I normally use to shoot reviews just refuses to operate correctly with the type of light this is. It just, the whole window frame looks blown out. You can't actually like see the lights. But I have to tell you, I'm more than impressed with these LED strip lights. I did not think they'd be this good. And this is only, that's like 75% right there. I don't even have it turned all the way up because if I do, the phone will just totally get blown out as well. I can tell you that the setup was fairly easy. You just use the Bluetooth on your phone and set it up. It can be connected to the Wi-Fi. And of course it can be connected to the Google Home Assistant and Amazon's She that shall not be named. I don't have Google Home, but I do have the Amazon deal. And she can turn them off, turn it on, set the timers, change some of the basic features and colors. I did a do-it-yourself here. This is what I've set up on it. This real slow train of the rainbow colors. But there's probably 50 or more than, probably more than 50 different settings and scenes and lights and flickering and all kinds of crazy stuff you can do. The video would be 30 minutes long if I actually tried to put all that stuff in there. But overall, these are very bright. I used to have like the strings of Christmas lights in here, just the regular LED Christmas lights, and they did okay, but of course I don't trust LED lights as much as I'd like to because they burn out. So I don't know how long these will last. I typically run these at night, from sunset to whenever I go to bed. So probably 3-4 hours, maybe 5 hours a night. And unless people are over, then we have it on later. But today is April 28th, 2021. So as soon as it starts burning out, I'll put a comment in the comment section when that happens, so you get an idea how long they last. I typically don't run everything at 100% anyway, so 75% is pretty good. But the color depth is amazing on these. And I only gave like $40 for these. That's tax, tag and title and all that shipping through Amazon. I could put a link in the description there where I got them from. But these are the, let's see, the model H6117. You get two rolls that are 16 feet each, And then you get this big clunky power supply, and the strips plug into that, so that's running up behind there. But installation is fairly simple, fairly straightforward. The app kind of tells you what to do, so I mean, if that don't work for you, then they got plenty of help on there. But I didn't need to do all that. I'll try to see if I can get some different videos of these things doing other things, but I have to get me another camera to be able to do that. So, I mean, I don't have anything negative about these at the moment. I mean, these are way cheaper than some of the other ones, such as the Lifex strips or the Philips overpriced Hughes stuff, which I'll never own none of that. Just the one thing to note that on these, in between each one of these little IC chips, there's 3 LEDs. So if you wanted to have it like one blue one, one green one, one red one, that won't work. There's always going to be a set of 3. That's just the way it's done. But depending on all the different settings you have, you won't notice that. So you won't be able to do it individually each one, but in sets of 3s you can. And there's plenty of stuff you can set up on it to do it yourself. There's a whole bunch of the, like I said, like 60 or so of the different scenes, and I think you can download a whole bunch more too. But I need to clean that counter up. But these light up the room. I mean, that's amazing. I'll just kind of add some videos or some video clips of what else they do besides just the rainbow train. But that's about it. Enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll try to make more videos. Alright, here's just a single color, just red, completely red. And this one's called Meteor Shower. And that doesn't make it dizzy. I don't know what will, or what. Oh my word, this one's called Lightning. Oh my god, this. Kind of looks like lightning. This one's called Gaming. It'd probably look cool behind my computer setup. And this one's called Breathe. This one's a music setting. I don't have any music to play. That wouldn't be a content match, but testing 1 2 1 2 check check 1 2 1 2 check check. So you can see what it's gonna do if you actually were playing music. It's gonna flash to the beat. And don't ask me this thing. That would be illegal.